Hello everyone. In this video we are discussing about the basic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimals. Okay, first addition. Addition is simple, normal way of addition process we are doing. 3.42 plus 16.9. These two numbers we have to add. For this, first we have to make them like. How can we make them like? 3.42. How many digits are here in the decimal position? 2 decimal digits are here. Here only 1. So you can write 1 0 in the last. Now see, 2 decimal digits here, 2 here. They are like decimals. Now we can start the addition. Start from this side. 2 plus 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is decimal. You can put like this way. 4 plus 6 is 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. Answer is 20.3. Easy enough? Huh? Yes. One more example I am taking. 39.6 plus 8.342 plus 124.82. Three numbers with different decimal digits. Okay. First we have to make them like na 39.6. Here 3 digits are there. Maximum here 2, here 3, here 1. Maximum is 3. So you can make them like this way. Put 2 0. Now see 3 digits here also. 8.342. Already 3 decimal digits are here, so no need to make any change. Now 1, 2, 4.82. 2 only. We need one more, so put 1 0. Now we can start the addition. 2 plus 0, that is 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 1 carry decimal point. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 4 is 22. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 1. Answer is 172.762. Addition is very much easy. Subtraction also same way. Make them like and start the normal subtraction process. Okay. One example. 26.94 from subtract 26.94 from 100.8. Okay, 26.94 from 100.8. From this number, so you have to write this number on the top, 100.8. But see, here 2 digits are there in the decimal place. Here only 1, so you can put 1 0. Then 26.94. So see, these two are like decimals. 2 here, 2 here. Okay. Now start the subtraction. 0 minus 4 is not possible, so you can borrow from 8. So 8 becomes 7. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. Again 7 minus 9 is not possible, so you can borrow from here, but here is nothing here. Here also nothing. We can borrow from here 1, it becomes 10. Now 1, if these two number, it becomes 10. Now one more, here it is 9. Now see, it is 70. So next. From this number we got 1. So only one is there. 1 we have given to this number. So it is 0. 0 becomes 10. From 10, 1 I have given this two number. So it is 9. Here it is 10. Again from here 1 I have given to this one. So 10 becomes 9. It is 70. Now we can do the subtraction. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 2 is 7. Answer is 73.86. Okay children, one more example. 17.9 from 25.82. From this number now, so you can write this number on the top. 25.82 subtract 17.9. Only one digit is there, so make them like, put 1 0 in the last. Now 2 digit here and 2 digit here also. Start the subtraction. 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 9 is not possible, so you can borrow from here. It is 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 4 minus 7 is not possible. Again we are taking 1 from here. Then 14 minus 7 is 7. 1 minus 1 is 0. That means answer is 7.92. Okay, addition and subtraction is easy. Just we have to make them like counting the decimal digits. Maximum decimal digits we can take. For that we can put 0 according to the decimal digits. Then normal way we can do the addition and subtraction. Now we are doing the multiplication. How can we do the multiplication? See, first I am multiplying with tens multiples. 14.34 into 10. How can we do this one? Here, how many zeros are here? 1 0. So for multiplication we are jumping this side. According to the 0, according to the number of 0, we can make the jump. Here 1 0, so you can make 1 jump. Okay, 1 skip. So the number will be decimal point. I am skipping here. So 143.4. For multiplication, we are moving forward. According to the number of digits, that much of number we have to skip. Okay, one number here, 1 0 is here. So one place we have to jump, one place we have to skip. Okay, then the number answer 143.4. Now see, 142.8 into 100. See, how much 0 is there? 2 zeros are there. So 2 place we have to jump. 2 place we have to move forward. That sign. So 1 place, okay. For next place there is no number. So you can put 0 here. Okay, 1 place here. For the next place we can put 0. Okay, after that you can put the decimal. See, listen, 2 zeros are here. 2 moves, 2 skips we have to make, but only 1 digit is here. So you can put 1 0 for the next skipping, next jumping. Then after that you can put the decimal. After this, there is no decimal position, there is no decimal digits. So you can avoid the decimal point. The answer is 14,280. Okay children, it is easy. According to the number of zeros, that much of jumping we have to make, that much of skipping, the decimal point, that much of skipping we are doing. Okay, if the digit is not there, if the digits are less than the number of zeros, so you can put a 0 according to the number. Okay children, now normal multiplication. Yes, see, 340.46 into 8. There is no multiples, tens, multiple and all this one. Okay, we have to multiply in proper method. For the multiplication of decimal, just forget about the decimal point. Normal multiplication process, avoiding the decimal point, we can do. Here one point is there in the question, but we are ignoring this one. So start the multiplication, normal multiplication process. 6 8s are 48, 4 8s are 32 plus 4 is 36, 8 0 0 plus 3 is 3, 4 8s are again 32, 3 8s are 24 plus 3 is 27. You got 2 7 2 3 6 8. This is the number after the multiplication. But here one decimal point is there. In the question, how many decimal digits are there? That much of decimal digits we need in the answer also. See, how many decimal digits are here in the question? That much decimal digits we need in the answer also. So count the decimal digits in the question. 1 and 2. 2 decimal digits are there in the question. So we need, start from here. Count start from here. 1, 2. Then here. The answer will be 2723.68. Okay. Forgetting the decimal point, we can do the multiplication in the normal process way. Normal way we can do the multiplication. After that, we can count the decimal digits in the question. That much of decimal digits we need in the answer. Counting start from this side. 1, 2. Here 2 digits are here in the decimal place. So we need 2 decimal digits in the answer also. 2, 1, 2. After that we can put the point. Okay children, multiplication is easy. One more example I am taking. This time I am taking both the numbers are decimals. 38.64 into 1.2. Ignoring the decimal, we can do the multiplication. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16 plus 1 is 17, 2 3s are 6 plus 1 is 7, 1 4 4, 1 6 6, 1 8 8, 1 3 3, 8, 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 6 is 13, 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 1 plus 3 is 4. We got the answer 4 6 3 6 8. Now in total how many digits are here? Here 1 2 and here 1. That means total 3 digits in the question. See, 1 2 3. 3 decimal digits are here in the question in total. So in answer also we need 3 decimal digits. Listen once again. Count the decimal digits in total. 1 2 3. 3 digits are answer also we need 3 decimal digits. Start from this side counting 1, 2, 3. Here we can put the decimal. The answer is 46.368. Okay children, it's easy. Multiplication in normal process we can do. After that, count the decimal digits in total. That much of decimal digits we can put in the answer also. Okay children, now the division. Yes children, for the division how can we do? First we are doing the division by tens multiple. 34.6 division 100. First we are doing the division by tens multiple. 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like this way. Okay. We know for multiplication we are moving forward, that side, that decimal point. In division, opposite way, we are moving backward, we are skipping backward. How many zeros are here? 2 zeros are here. So we have to move 2 skipping back side. So the decimal will be like this way. Here the whole number part is not there, so you can put for the whole number part 0.346. Now no need to put point here. Okay, point is here. With point we are jumping. So no need to point here. No need to put the point here. So 0.346 is the answer. Okay, for division we are jumping backward. We are moving backward. According to the number of 0, that much of skipping we are doing. For division, for multiplication, we are moving forward. Okay, that is the difference. Now one more example I am taking. 6.48 division 200. The tens multiple is that 200 is a tens multiple, but the first number is not 1. So we are writing this number in a fraction form like this way and splitting the 200 into 2 into 100. 6.48. It is same. Numerator will be the same. Denominator I am splitting. I am going to splitting this number. 200 means 2 into 100. Okay children. First we are dividing the number by 2. Divide in 6. How many 2's? 3 2's. Now put this decimal same way. Barabar. You have to put the decimal in the same order. Okay. Next number is 4. In 4 it is 2 times 4. Next number is 8. 2 4s are 8. So answer is 3.24. But we have to divide by 100. We divided this number by 2. The answer is 3.24. Now we have to divide this number by 100. Now it is 100. See. First number is 1. Now we do the skipping. 2 zeros are here. One place. For the next place there is no digit, so you can put 0. Now you can put like this way. 0.0324 is the answer. 2 zeros. So 2 skipping we have to make. This decimal digit, decimal point, 1 skip. Second, for the second skip there is no digit, so you can put 0. Then the point will be here. 0.0324. Absence of whole number means 0 you can put. Okay children. Now the proper division we are doing. division. Here, see. There are three types. See, three types of divisions we are taking. First, numerator only a decimal number. That is the first case. Second case, only the denominator decimal. Third case, both. That means numerator and denominator both are decimal. Three cases are coming for the division. First case, that means numerator only decimal. 17.9 by 8. 17.9 we have to divide 17.9 division 8. Okay. Start the division in the proper way. In 1, 8 will not go. It's less than 8. So 2 digits I am taking. In 17, how many times? 2 8s are 16. 1. Next is decimal. So you can put a decimal here in an order. Okay. 7 after 7 we can put a decimal. Next number is 9. Don't forget to put the decimal here. Okay. Next number is 9. In 19, how many times? 2 8s are 16 again. 3. There is no number to put down. So you can put 0. In 30, how many? 3 8s are 24. Subtract 6 is the remainder. Again it will continue, but we can stop here. Up to 2 decimal we got the answer. So you can write 2.23 is the answer. Normal way we can do the division. Don't forget to put the decimal on the top in the same order. After 7, before the 9 number, we can put the decimal here. Then only you can put down this number. Okay? Because that's only just do the normal way process. Normal way we can do the decimal division. Only this thing you should be careful. Just put the decimal point here on the top. Okay. Yes, this way we can do the first case decimal, numerator only decimal case division. Okay. Now denominator only decimal. Numerator is a normal number. 342 divided by 1.2. Here the numerator, there is no decimal. Numerator is a normal number numerator. Denominator only decimal. The second case. Denominator only decimal. How can we do this one? For this, count the decimal digits in the denominator. Count the decimal digits in the denominator. How many digits are here? 1 digit is here. So you can multiply and divide the numerator and the denominator with 10. How many digits are here? 1 only in the decimal. So 10 number, that means 10, we can multiply and divide the same number. So the value will be the same. Numerator and denominator we can multiply with the same number. That number will be the equal 0. That means how much decimal number is here, that much of 0 will be here. Okay, here only 1 digit, here 10 number. Now start. 342 into 10 means 3420. With the tens multiplication we can put a 1 0 in the last. Okay, 10 we can move forward. Okay, that means 12. So see, now the denominator is a normal number. For this we are multiplying with this one. To remove the decimal we are multiplying with this number. So count the decimal digits. How many decimal digits are in the denominator? That much of 0 we need. Here 1 digit is here. So 1 0 number 10. We are going to multiply and divide. That means multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. So the number will be like this way. Now we can do the normal division for this number. Okay, in 34 how many 12s are there? 2, 24, and balance next number is 2. In 102 how many 12s are there? 12s double, 12 into 8, 8 only. Then balance is 6. Next number is 0. In 60 it is. The answer is 285 is the answer. So listen, before dividing this one we have to make the denominator without decimal digits. So we can multiply the number of decimal, count the number of decimal digits here. That much of zeros we need to multiply. Here 1 digit is here. 1 0 you can multiply 10 10. After that you can do the normal division method. 3 4 2 0 divided by 2 12. Here we got the answer 285. Now the third case. Numerator and denominator both are decimal. Here the numerator is also a decimal number, denominator also a decimal number. How can we divide this one? For this, only denominator you have to count. In denominator, how many decimal digits are there? Okay, neglect this one. Numerator you can neglect. Only check the denominator and count the decimal digits. Here 2 decimal digits are there, 0 and 6. After decimal point 2 digits are there. So you can multiply this number with 20 number. Neglect this one. Numerator, what should be listen here? Numerator here 1 digit is there. You can neglect that. Let it be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, whatever it is. You please neglect it. Just count the decimal digits in the denominator. How many? 2 0 0 6. 2 digits are here in the denominator. 2 decimal digits are here. After decimal 2 digits are here. So 20 number, that means 100. We can multiply and divide. Okay, we know how to multiply. 20 means 2 skipping once, and next for next we need 1 0, and here 1 2. Okay, the proper number. So the answer will be 14890. Okay, after 2 skipping, that decimal point will be here. Okay, then here also 1 2. That means 006. Okay, now the denominator is a a number without a decimal. Okay, denominator is a number without a decimal. So you can write 14890 by 6. 006 means 6 itself. Okay. Here the decimal, there is no value for that, so you can remove the decimal. Now do the proper division. 14890 by 6. 2 6 are 12. Next number is 8. 28 4. 24. Again next number is 9 in 49. 8 6 are 48. Next number is 0 in 10, it is 1. Next number is 4. There is no number to put down, so you can put decimal here. In 40 it is 5 times. So answer is 0 is a remainder. The answer is 2481.5. Okay children, in the numerator and denominator both are the decimal number. For this, just check the denominator only. Numerator you can neglect. In the denominator, how many decimal digits are there? After decimal, 2 digits are here. So 20 number you can take. That means 100. We can multiply and divide. That means multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator with 100. 100 means 20. So you can move forward 2 place. Okay. This decimal place we are going to skipping. Okay. One place is here. Second, for the second skipping there is no digits. So you can put 0. Now the digits will be here. After multiplying here also 2 skipping, the decimal point here. So the answer is 14,14890.